Hi everyone. In previous video presentation, we have already studied about the retreating of the monsoon system in India. So, after the retreating of the monsoon system in India, the winter season start in India. So, today we are going to study about the winter monsoon season in India. Winter monsoon season start in India from early December and last up to the February. The winter monsoon are less powerful than southwest monsoon over the Indian subcontinent because the Himalayan mountain prevent much of the cool air from reaching the Indian subcontinent. The northern plains are located far away from the moderating influence of the sea, so the temperature recorded very low in northern India, whereas the southern peninsular India is warmer due to closer to the equator line, and here seen in coastal areas have moderating effect of the sea. The mean daily temperature remains below 21 degrees Celsius in northern India, whereas the night temperature reaches below freezing point at several places. So, prevails the cold weather phenomena, especially in northern India. The cold weather conditions known as cold waves in Dras Valley in Kashmir near Kargil recorded minimum temperature minus 45 degrees Celsius. It is the coldest place in India. Just opposite conditions prevail in southern part of India. There is no well-marked winter season in peninsular India due to temperature remains above 22 degrees Celsius. Sometimes it reaches above 25 degrees Celsius approximately. The mean maximum temperature for the months of January at Thiruvananthapuram reaches up to 31 degrees Celsius. In northern India, due to low temperature, sufficiently high pressure develop over northwestern part of India. This pressure conditions is not same. It varies place to place, whereas due to high temperature, low pressure develop over the southern India, including Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal Sea. So the winds blow high pressure areas of the northwest India to the low pressure areas of the peninsular southern part of India. At this time, the speed of the winds is slow due to low pressure gradient. The western disturbances is one of the most important cause of the rainfall in winter season. It is an extratropical storms originate over Mediterranean region that bring sudden winter rain Indian subcontinent. It is driven by westerlies. The moisture in these storms shed as rain in northern India. Western disturbances are most frequent and strong in winter season. It is most useful for the growth of the rabi crop, which is important staple food of the northern India. During the winter season, the rainfall also occur through the northeast trade winds prevails over the country. These winds blow from land to sea. When these winds pass over the Bay of Bengal, they pick up the moisture and cause some amount of rainfall in Tamil Nadu coast. This coast is also known as Coromandel coast. These winds blow from northeast to southwest direction, so they are called northeast monsoon. Most part of the country escaped from the rainfall through this wind. Mostly these winds active from December to February months. I hope all the presentation related this topic. Surely it would be helpful for better understanding of the climate of Indian subcontinent. Thank you for watching Geography Award.